everyone. Thank you for watching again. So in our first video, there's an introduction to Diffyn and what it actually does. So today I want to talk more about some of the new features that I implemented on Diffyn that I think will be very useful for you that I want to go through today. So as you understand, currently there's the test feature already integrated into the platform, but it's not immediately obvious. You need to navigate to repositories, then to test. There's several ways. So firstly, let's say for example in here to test, or you want to test specific versions, we go into versions, then into view, then to test the specific version itself in here or here, or either that or on the submit pull request or new version forms. But there isn't a standalone page that you are able to navigate to, and it's editable to help you test whatever forms that you want to test. So in this new version, I've added this test as a standalone feature, and you can see that it's reorganized on the header. So this is one of the main feature now. But you may ask, maybe you want to test models that is not available on the platform. So to cater for that, I've added ability for you to add custom providers to your account and run the custom models together with the server provider models as well. Or if you want to save on credits, or you can add the custom models as well, and the cost will be offloaded to whatever cloud hosted provider that you added to Diffyn instead of charging on our end. So let's walk through how to add these custom providers. I'll go through an example for you. So you want to add a new provider, go to your user drop down menu, go to your settings, or on your mobile, go to your settings from the site navigation. Then navigate to the providers tab here. So you want to add a new custom provider. Let's say today there's a new model on Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, and I want to test that, and I know that Diffyn doesn't integrate that model yet, and I want to try that out also. So maybe we can go use OpenRouter, for example, and take a look here. You can see that it's currently the top model on OpenRouter, and we want to use this, integrate this into Diffyn for test. So again, give whatever name that you want to identify it. So API format. I can reference the whatever cloud hosted platform, the API format. So we know that this is already auto-completed for you when you choose OpenRouter. Model name, whatever that we copied just now. Okay, advanced configuration, input your API key. So this. So we'll update this, we'll add this provider to Diffyn. You see it's already added with all the information that you have input. So let's run the test on this new model that we added from OpenRouter. So you can see that here it's already added here. So we want to test this maybe on default prompt to see if it's working or not. Yeah, so as you can see, the new model that we added is working. So it's being put and displayed. So this is the 2.5 preview that Google released yesterday. See, it's being cut off because of the token limit. So maybe let's try again. Yeah, so maybe you want to compare it with another model as well, or even server integrated models. Maybe you want to compare the stable version of the Flash to the Pro preview. Yeah, so as you can see, these are the two different outputs of the same prompt. Next, I think another feature that I think is very exciting is the testing assistant. So as you understand, the testing assistant pull context from whatever output that you have on the test page. So right now there's two different models and two different test output. So the assistant actually got the context of these two output and is able to answer any questions you have according to whatever test that we just ran. And also I've made this assistant a lot smarter than the previous version, and the output is a lot more readable. So let's take a look at this. So as you can see, it's a more detailed and readable now. It's telling you that it's an expert consultant that does all this, and you can ask it any question. So let's say again we try the enhanced prompt feature. So you can see that now it's generating for you a prompt, enhanced prompt that you are able to copy and paste, and it's explaining to you why this is better. So maybe next I want to compare the two models that I ran for this test. So this one we are running Gemini 2.5 Pro and 2.0 Flash. So I want to ask it which is better. So it's saying 2.0 Flash because of faster response and utilizing fewer tokens, so it's more efficient. And the quality it's on par. It's concise. Yeah, so it's this answer will be generated based on whatever context of the test output that you just ran. And maybe I can also ask it a more general question, like maybe tell me about yourself. Yeah, so it's telling me that this assistant is designed to assist you with understanding and optimizing your prompts. That's about all I've added to Diffyn since our last video. I think that it'll be very interesting and helpful, and feel free to test out and also contact me at diffyn.official@gmail.com if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching.